Hello friends, welcome to the Battle of Bhima Koregaon, Karolpati offer. The Battle of Bhima Koregaon is a Hindi film, but we would be releasing this film in Telugu, Tamil and Kannada platform as well. The Battle of Bhima Koregaon is a social war film and I am the producer director of this film. My name is Ramesh Thete. Now I want to tell you about this offer. To participate in this offer, you have to buy a 500 rupees VIP pass. And if you buy this pass, you can watch this film. But remember, at the same time, you can be a winner. What type of winner? A Karolpati. See, to become a Karolpati, you have to only buy a 500 VIP pass. You can watch the film and become a Karolpati. Now the offer has a total amount of 2 crore 5 lakh. There are 6 prizes. The first mega prize is of 1 crore and other prizes, the other 5 prizes are 21 lakh each. This means the total amount is 2 crore 5 lakh. Now, I want to tell you something about the film. And to tell you something about the film, I want to request you to watch the teasers of the song so that you get a feel as to what is the grandeur, as to what the canvas is, what the quality of the film is. Just have a glimpse of the teasers of the songs of the Battle of Bhima Koregaon film.
रंगीली रात था रंग था वो न्यारा राव तुमरे प्रीत का राव तुमरे प्रीत का ढंग प्यारा प्यारा रंगीली रात था
दिल ने दिल से की है बात तो मन ये कहने लगा
मिल जाए खुल जाए दोनों किनारे मौसम बदलने लगा
इतना दन दन और अत्याचारी की ऐसी की तैसी चुन अरे इतना दन और अत्याचारी की ऐसी की तैसी चुन अत्याचारी की कमर तोड़ दे अत्याचारी की कमर तोड़ दे
I'm sure you must have liked the teasers. If the teasers are so good, so interesting, so entertaining, just imagine what the quality of the film would be. And I'm sure you will enjoy the film, watching the film. But having watched the film, now we come to the offer, to the draw, to the lucky draw. After the release of the film, we will have a lucky draw. And under this lucky draw, all the participants, all the buyers of the VIP passes will be allowed to participate. And the draw will be transparent. Some dignitaries will be invited and in their presence, the draw will be organized. One thing I would like to tell you, and that is, one pass is for one prize. I mean, if you get a prize, then you would get only one prize for one pass. And to have a claim for other prizes, you will have to buy more passes. You can do one thing. You can buy passes, more passes for your family members, your friends. And in this way, if you buy 6 passes, then you can participate for 6 prizes. So hurry up and buy VIP passes. After you buy the passes, you will come to this stage. Now, I come to the procedure of buying the VIP passes. On your screen, you would have the details for making the payment. You have to just do one thing. You have to scan the QR code. Under this QR code, you would notice so many options. Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Paymap, other UPI segments, and so on and so forth. And in addition to this, we have given our account number, bank account number of HDFC Bank. You can directly deposit the amount in our account, and whether you do it by depositing the amount in the bank account or by the scanning of the QR code, after that you have to just share the screenshot, your name, your address on the WhatsApp number is given, and if you go for another option for sharing the screenshot, that is under email. The email is given, the company email is given. So either you share your details via WhatsApp or by email. When we receive the information from you regarding the payment, then we would be sending you the passes on your address. And when you receive the passes, you have to just send a message on the WhatsApp or on the email that you have received the passes. This way the procedure is complete. And after this procedure is complete, then again 17th of September, the release date, you would be intimated about this on your mobile. The details like your theatre, it could be multiplex as well, your theatre, then the date of show, the timing, and your seat number will be intimated on your mobile. And this way you will be watching the film. And after watching the film, we will hold a lucky draw, and the winners will be announced. Just one request, you would be receiving our notifications on your mobile from our company, and that will be through the notifications via YouTube channel. So our YouTube channel on which you are watching this video, you have to subscribe it. My request to you is, please subscribe the channel and also push the bell button for notifications. If you do these two things, then you would be able to receive information as to the lucky draw from time to time sent by our company. So please subscribe to our channel Ramesh Tete Films and also push the bell button. Please remember, you can be a crorepati by just buying a 500 rupees VIP pass, and you can also win other prizes by buying a 500 rupee passes. So hurry up, don't miss this opportunity. It is a golden opportunity, and I'm sure you would definitely avail this opportunity. Thank you.
Dana dan dan dan.